Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Drama Diary, where we sip the hottest tea and spill some secrets. Of course, today it's not about the secret also, it's about a haul. Yeah, I know you never asked for this haul, but I just came back from Miniso. I went back, I had went there for shopping, so I thought of why don't I share what I bought and all with you. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first one that I bought is this organizer. If you know me, you will know this about me that I love organizing my stuffs like little jewelries and like rubber bands, everything that a girl, of course, a girl has most accessories and all. So where a girl will keep, right? So yeah, this accessory keepers, not only accessories. I thought of like arranging my perfumes and all in here and all, and some like hair sprays in this box. I love a good organizers, and trust me, no matter what people say you, like Miniso and Mumuso mein to her work like like useless, a cutesy luxurious stuff milta hai. No, it also gets, you also can get this kind of organizers. I bought, I think, many organizers from Miniso and also from other brand that's Mumuso, but today it's all about the Miniso. I went there for the Miniso. So yeah, this one, this organizer is so good. I can keep so many stuff like here. इसमें एक लाइक लाइक एक लंबा भी था, लाइक लंबा था, थोड़ा सा नैरो इट इट वाज, इट्स काइंड ऑफ इट्स काइंड ऑफ वाइड बट और एक था जो थोड़ा सा नैरो है एंड ऑल, बट या दिस वन organizer, good organizer. Okay, and next one, again another organizer, more like more space is there. Again a good organizer, of course. Like I have so many stuffs that I have to keep. Like I love organizing them, like like I say, ड्रेसिंग टेबल के ऊपर या शायद ड्रेसिंग, आई हैव अ ड्रेसिंग ड्रॉयर आल्सो, लाइक अ वार्डरोब काइंड, तो उसके ऊपर आई कैन कीप माय स्टफ्स हियर. See the good stuff, like good say the bottles and the things and all. It's also cute. Yeah, तो हो गया. No, you're not, like I'm not done, honey, because here is another organizer. I basically I went there today, Miniso, just for the organizers only. So this one, again one, like this good organizer. Of course, I can keep the bottles here. I also bought something from the Mumuso also, that I might share it with you later. Yeah. So yeah, ho gaya. Mini, Miniso. It is all over Miniso. And this also I bought this organizer. This is a drawer kind of thing, which I'm gonna open it in front of you all only. So let me show you how it is. Wait. If ah, ta-da-dan. Okay. So ये कैसे open होता है? Oh sorry, like this one. भाई फिर खुल जा भाई. अरे रुको थोड़ा सा. This is my goodness. फाड़ना पड़ेगा मेरे को. I really suck. This. Such a messy unboxing and all that. Yeah. So this is a drawer thing where it all opens like this. 1, 2, 3, and of course the 4 one. It all opens like this, like the stairwise. Here I can keep my, of course, like rubber bands or the jewelries, the necklaces. I have not decided yet, but this is one thing. See, yeah. This one right. This is so cute. This is so. It makes organizing really fun. It makes organizing fun. Yeah. Next, another organizer for my brushes. वो इधर पे रहेगा and it, no, it's kind of rotating. Yeah, I can keep my nail filers or brushes or my lip liners, everything, kajal and all here. So cute. Cute, right? So this is done. Another, oh, also this is very useful. Like I have used two brand ka pimple patches. One is from Miniso and one is of Nykaa. Okay, but Miniso one is so good. Like I'm telling you, so good. Like pimple patch, it's so good. Like Nykaa का भी अच्छा होता है. It's a little thinner. Nykaa का pimple patch थोड़ा सा thinner होता है, but it's so like it's a bit of thicker and translucent type, and it has so many sizes. I'm gonna show you it. If you can see it, it has so many sizes. See, small, big, the sizes are there. Okay, so yeah, it is a good pimple patch. So of course, whenever I'm going to use, so I am picking it up. Oh, and again, this one. It's kind of like this have a spray bottle in it, a set of bottles, I think. Yeah, a set of bottles. For 3 bottles are there. It's a spray one, spray, this bottle, and it's and थोड़ा सा ऐसे करके 2 है. Why I bought it? It's so helpful because sometimes what happens कि cream ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है, या you have to keep something, या you have to like you make a this spray something for your hair or for your face. You can it's also good for traveling. Here also you can keep some, जैसे मेरे कुछ दिन पहले हुआ था, eye cream नीचे से burst हो गया था, so I have to keep it in this box. So this is box so helpful for me, and so cute also. See, so yeah, so this must of course. So बस यही तक था. Yeah, यही तक का था आज. और also I like one, like जो होता है ना Barbie का Stanley या Zipper and all, but I already have one from the Muso. It's good one. I'm gonna show you that also. I already have this one. This from the Muso one, so I didn't took it. But if you are planning to buy something Stanley one, I think Harry Potter का Stanley था कुछ. It's around the age of 1000 to 1200 Stanleys are there, like rupees. 1000 to 1200 rupees का Stanley वो the ranges में है Harry Potter का. And I think Barbie का जो है वो 800 भी है and 500 भी है, depending on the design and all. So you can go and check it out. It was also good stock, and there are so many other organizers also. Okay, I just bought only this. There are other organizers. You can go and check it out. I love Miniso, not for the useless cutesy stuff, but also like not useless. It gives you fun, so it's not useless. But it also makes the organizing part so interesting, so fun. Not like a boring thing. It's like that. I'm dying to like decorate my dressing table and my other stuff. So मैंने कहा कि आज आके I'm gonna show it all to you. Let's make it a haul and all. Then I'm gonna decorate my stuffs in it. So yeah. So I will see you in my next video or vlog. एक announcement है कि soon another vlog. I have shot a vlog, and soon I will be posting the vlog soon. I think in this week only or the weekends. So stay tuned and stay hydrated, though it's kind of raining in Kolkata right now. But yeah, stay hydrated, stay healthy. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, this is bye.